is from G. Kishore. And Kishore wants to know what's the changes of H1B this year. So I feel he wants to know that what are the changes going to happen in
Right.
H1B this year? Yeah.
Right. And we kind of discussed that. So it's a very
Mhm.
apt question, but we knew that people would ask us that question and that's a hot topic. So we discussed that. We talked about the H1B modernization program. There might be, we talked about change in the way registration might be done. That hasn't, the other changes might not happen this year, but I think the way the registrations are done, and the fact that they might be picked based on the beneficiary's passport ID number, that might happen this year by them fast tracking that particular part of the regulation, not the entire H1B modernization regulation, but at least that part. So we're hoping that that will happen so that we don't have the same situation like we had last year. Uh, so that's one change that we're expecting to see. With reference to others, I mean, we might see a change in the filing fee for registrations. It might go up to 250 from $10. Again, we need to wait and see. And then, you know, I don't see any other major changes this year other than that registration and maybe the fee increase. The rest will be pretty much the same, I think, with reference to approvability and what they'll ask, what documentation they expect for H1B.
All right. So maybe, Prashanti, maybe Kishore wants to know if there is any particular change that's going to happen that they might have to, worry about.
Like I just said,
Uh-huh.
nothing to worry about. These
Okay.
are the changes that might happen.
All right. Okay. So you don't have to worry really, you really worry about anything. The changes that Prashanti has told you, you just need to take care of those particular changes. Kishore, I think you have got the answer for your question.